Hello, students. Welcome to the next session of our online English class. And in this class, we are going to discuss some concepts about grammar, and you can do the exercises in your muffins. So let us discuss, and this will be helpful in your ninth class because now almost you are at the edge of the eighth class, and then you will be there in ninth class. So this is a guidance for you for the next class, for the ninth class. So which type of exercises will you face in your next class? So let me guide you for that. So here in eighth class, you are given questions, and then you are given a sort of hint also. For example, you have given your half yearlies, and in that you were directed to fill the blanks. Like you were asked that you have to find the particular type of phrase, the particular type of non-finite verb or finite verb. Means you are guided for that, for filling a gap. But in your ninth class, there are there are many changes in your grammar. Means till your ninth class, you should have a very good base of grammar, and in that way only you can do the exercise which are provided in your class. So your base must be very, very good for that. Now, the first question which comes in your ninth class exams in the grammar section is error correction. Now, what is the meaning of error? Error means mistake. Means a paragraph will be written in front of you, and then you have to read that paragraph, and then you have to find the mistake or the error yourself, and then you have to do the correction also. Not only you have to find the mistake, but you have to do the correction also. And this can be done if you have a very good base in grammar. So, and in this type of exercise, there will be a passage which will be written in front of you, as you can see, and this is on page number 252 of your muffins. So you can see that there is a passage written, and just in front of that passage, there will be two blanks provided in front of each line. And in the first blank, you have to write the error. First, you have to read the line. You have to find out what you think is the mistake in the line. There could be any type of mistake of preposition, mistake of tenses, mistake of type of verb, mistake of any grammatical mistake could be there. And if you are having a very good command over your grammar, then only you can find that mistake. And then the second blank will be of correction. Means if you think that this word or this thing is wrong here, then you will underline that word and write in the first blank, and in the second blank you have to write the correct word. For example, here in this passage, the first line is the word Himalayas is Sanskrit of abode of snow. So here this of is an error here. So you have to write off in the error blank, and then when you correct it, you will write for. The correction for this word is for. Okay, so this is like that only. You have to do all the exercises which are provided. This will help you if you do such type of exercises which are there in your muffins book. Then this will help you finding your base in the ninth class. So when you are home, you are having such a good book in your hand, you can practice. And if you are not, try hard. First learn all the rules, all the grammatical things which are there in your book, in your 8th class book, in your 7th class book, or in your 6th class book. Means you have to make your base strong. and just after making your base strong, you can do such type of activities, such type of assignments. And the second exercise which you will get in your ninth class section, grammar of ninth class, will be editing or omission. Now, what will be there in this type of exercise? There will be a passage given to you, and then one word has been omitted in each line. Means in that passage there are many lines, and in each line one word has been omitted. Omitted means taken out. Means there is a blank, but the as till now we can see the blank, that this is a blank and we have to fill this blank. But now in the ninth class you will not find a blank. Okay, you have to find the place from where a word has been omitted, and then write the missing word, the word that comes before it and the word that comes after it. And then in front of this passage there will be three blanks. In the first blank you have to write the word which you think is before the missing word. In the second blank you have to write the missing word, means you have to fill the blanks. The word which you think is not present in the line, so you have to write that word. And in the last blank you have to write the word which comes after that word, which is already present in the paragraph. Only the missing word is not there in the paragraph. It should be included by you. And then uh, first you will write the missing word, and then you have to write the word which is before that word and the word which is after that word. So this is the omission activity. Okay, the other type of exercises or other type of activities which will come in our ninth class, we will discuss in our next session. Till then, goodbye.